Hey guys, it's Simpson Modworks. This is just an airsoft game between me and my dad. You see me run off behind the house. He says he needs to get glasses from the car. So yeah, there's my dog. He has a broken leg, so you can hear his cast in the background. Hey Buster. Anyway, so you see me run. I tag him twice. He gets hit in the glasses right here. He doesn't know how to take it off safety. So yeah.
What is the safety on this? Oh, there it is.
You see him trying to get the safety off, and I have to help him. I tag him right here. I duck behind the car. He runs. I run after him. I stop to cock my gun, and I run around the corner. My sister is recording, so the footage is a little shaky. Yeah. So you can hear my dog licking me in the background. So sorry. Anyway, so he hits my gun right here, and I turn around the corner. He hits me. So yeah. We're just wearing hoodies. It's a very laid back game of airsoft. So yeah. I turn around the corner. This is where he shoots me. I get hit, and this is about it of footage in the video. That's where I get hit. So yeah. I end up winning, hitting him like 23 times, and he hit me like 4 times. So yeah. We're going into some FPS footage. I make the stock more compact. I'll show you guys the gun. And anyway, so you see me get shot at right here. The footage is a little shaky. This is a video from a while back. I duck behind this. I go behind the trash can, duck behind that. And I go around. So anyway, you can see me drop the camera to cock my gun. Yeah, I wasn't that good at recording back then. See my mask a little bit. I shoot once there. I see him, so I turn the corner. He runs off behind the house, and I do end up getting a few melee kills. He's not behind there, so I keep running around the house. I just run around, and I end up seeing him right here. Wait, no, that's not that
Gotcha.
point.
No, I didn't.
Anyway,
Yes, I did. I tapped you.
go down the steps,
I could have shot you like
and
4 times.
that's all that's in the footage, and I'll show you some melee
I didn't
kills.
film though.
Ridiculous stuff in this video. We have this monstrosity. So, it's supposed to go in the microwave. Let's watch. The frick. It doesn't seem to be working. Alright. Shout out to Logan and Daniel. They're both subscribers, and anyway, thanks for watching.